Nude glitter ombre and exclusive nail couture acrylic line review in this video. Hey, Anastasia here, and we're going to use Monomer and Shine E acrylic powders Cherry Pink and Cupid. Today reviewing exclusive nail couture products by Max Estrada. The nail is already prepped and I'm starting with the application. This is cherry pink color and I decided to do the clear glitter free edge and nude nail bed. You probably noticed that all the packaging is so pink, so kawaii, so cute. And another interesting thing is that most products by Exclusive Nail Couture, they smell like candy, and Monomer is no exception. The monomer I'm working now, it's traditional monomer. It's like medium setting time. I can't say it's super fast, and I also cannot say it's super slow. But when you're working with glitter acrylics, they usually have a slower setting time. And it does smell like a monomer, so I cannot say that it's odorless. But together with the smell, it also has this sweet candy smell. So for those who hate traditional monomer smell, it might probably work. I personally like how all monomers smell, so to me this smell is also nice. And the same thing goes into cuticle oil, polygel, and many other things. So now I am doing ombre with a nude color, and I also decided to try glass pink near the cuticle. But with this client, you can probably see that her nail is a little bit overfiled, so probably I shouldn't use nude all the way. Yeah, I think I'm going to try that on the next nail. I encapsulate the free edge and the ombre part with the color called glass pink. It's almost like clear. It has a very slight sheer pink color in it, and with this design, since it's all in pink colors, I think it will work good. My advice to you is to encapsulate any kind of glitter designs. Now let's try another one. I'm applying the hydrator and primer. The form is already set. Now I'm building the free edge with a color called Cupid. It's clear color with beautiful golden, champagne and blue glitter in it. I think I explained it well. It looks pretty cool. And I'm building a traditional almond shape. For this shape, you should set the form a little lower than usual. So when you look from the side, you can see that the form is going downwards a little bit, not too much. And we decided to make short nails, like between medium and short, because all clients who prefer long nails, sometimes they just want to take a break. Working with clear colors might be tricky sometimes, especially if you have a clear form like me, so you need to look closely and make sure that you have enough product on the sidewalls, on the free edge. So once you're done with this step, we're going to take nude, place it in the center and stretch it towards the free edge. We could do the French style the same way, but I just felt in the ombre mood, and also it is much easier than the French style, because here you simply stretch and you get a beautiful fade, while with the French style you need to be really careful and make the same shape of the smile lines on every single nail, make sure that the corners are on the same level, and so on. So this time near the cuticle I will be using nude as well, as we want to hide the natural nail plate. The brush I'm using is number 8 oval, and this is my preference for most of the nails because usually I do medium to short nails. It's very rare where I need longer nails for my clients, but when I do, I switch to my brush I use very rarely. It's a big one. I have a size 18 and 20 as well. When we are done with the application, it is time to file the nail, and I have to say this acrylic files pretty easily, so it did not take me too long. When filing the almond shape, you need to make sure first that you have the same length and the style, because with a square or a coffin shape, if you notice that your nails or your client's nails have a different length, you can easily fix it. With almond you can do it as well, but it will be harder because we need to have the same curve. So my recommendation to you is to spend a little bit more time when doing application, when setting the form, and make sure they are all even the same and identical at the stage of application. I decided not to buff them. I think filing will be enough. Clean the dust and seal them with the Shine E, which is one of the best glossy top coats. I've been using this one for a while. It's pretty good for securing crystals also, by the way. Now we cure it and then I apply it to another one. Of course, you can apply it at 4 nails at a time, but if your client is not able to sit still, I do have some clients like that, what I do is I apply top coat one by one. So I apply it on the one nail, and while she's curing that one, I apply it on the other nail on the opposite hand. Here is a simple trick. If you unfortunately apply the top coat not evenly, simply take the brush and with a super light touch do the motions like this, and then turn the client's finger around for a couple seconds and then cure it. This is not my first experience with Exclusive Nail Couture products, and I have to say I like most of them, and now this acrylic line definitely will go into my favorites. Here is the result. We cure the top coat and take a look at this beautiful glitter sparkling nails. Let me guys know, what do you think? Have you ever tried Exclusive Nail Couture products and do you like them? Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new tutorials every week. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye!